Hello everyone who's watching this video. My name is Tigran and welcome to Functions. I think when you hear function, you imagine something like this. And you are not mistaken, these are functions too. But I am going to talk about other functions. Let me make a function which will find the perimeter and the area of a square. So this is a square and the length of its side is a. So our perimeter is 4a and its area is a squared. If you want to depict this function graph, you will get these two graphs. As you see, a is bigger than 0, so this part of the graphs don't exist. Let me show how functions are used in programming. We are making a variable and giving it any name. I named it func, like function. So inside our variable we are writing function. Here we are writing how many variables are we gonna use in our function. If you want to use two variables, you can write a and b, or whatever you want. Inside our function we are writing return a plus b. So this is a very short function which will sum two numbers. So now if you write func 3, 5, you will get 8. We can also write the same function in this way. Const func is equal to function ab, then const sum is a plus b, and return sum. We will get the same answer as without const. So if we call the function with two variables, we will get the same answer. Okay, now I will give a bit more complicated example. So our variable f1 is a function with three inputs, a, b and c. Inside the function we have a variable sum, which is a plus b plus c, our three inputs. The next variable is diff, the difference of these three variables. The next variable is prod, product of these three variables. And the final one is the variable result, which sums up our three variables inside function and returns the variable result. By the way, it is very important to close our functions with semicolon, because our function is inside the variable, so this is a variable and variables must be closed by semicolon. Of course we can write function without variables, but put it just in case. So in the second example, we have function f2, which takes two inputs and sums them up with a variable sum, but it doesn't return anything, as you see. So if we call f2 with some random numbers, we will not get anything because it doesn't return the answer. So in the final example, we have two variables here, const a is 20 and const b is 10. So in our function f3, we don't have any inputs, as you see. Brackets are empty. But inside the function we have const c, which is a plus b. Our function doesn't know what a and b are. So the program goes one level up outside of the function and finds what a and b are and what value they have. So const c will be 20 plus 10. And it will return 30. So this function doesn't change its value because it always takes a and b. A and b are constants and they only have 20 and 10 values. So we will always get 30. So that's pretty much everything I can explain about functions, because functions are very easy. So anyway, thank you everyone so much for watching. If you like this video, put thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you.